Could go for the other one, but just whatever. Too late now. Let's go!
Have a look and knock out what you can.
Check out this high traffic area over here and then see what we do after. I think I just saved that guy. I think he's still downed over there. Upload soon.
Check your map for mission details. Squad mate is headed back into action.
Lock off. Let's go.
Alright, your mission is up. Marked on your map. Hostile shooter jumping into your area. for new mission details. Inbound. Watch your route.
Fuck. These guys are so angry. Oh my god, from across the valley. This guy is desperate. Holy shit. Holy desperation.
Oh, I see metal bird. I see metal bird. I see metal bird.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Are you? Oh my god. Leave me alone. Let me be. You're not gonna take me down. Get lost. Okay. Alright. 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 There you go. There you go. Yeah, you wanted it. You wanted it. You want. Oh, I'm not gonna shoot my flares until it says incoming. I'm not stupid, okay? I'm a seasoned pilot, okay? I'm not stupid. No, no, no.
Alright, new mission is up. Marked on your map.
Let's go resupply here. It's my lucky helicopter. I'm not swapping out.
Target area. Each loadout coming your way. Enemy is taking over a beacon. Smoke them or get one.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Heads up. Your grid's about to
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know where these fellas get off by shooting a metal bird with miniguns on it with a regular rifle. I will not ever understand.
The squad's crushed it. Your team has to regroup and get back out there.
Bleed out.
Out of time. Dust it off and get back out there.
Holy shit. Why don't you come out of there, huh? Thank you. I don't know who the hell worked on this ground tracking system, but they must have been high while they were developing it, because holy shit. One tree and it just goes all out of whack. It's alright though, I'm good at freehanding anyway. No problem. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Please and thank you. I gotta go, let's go. Don't worry, come back. No revive for you. Thank you for the airstrike. Oh, you don't have an airstrike on you. Let's go like that. Let's go like that. Thank you. What else you got for me? Nothing. That's fine. You know what? That'll do. That'll do. Thank you very much. Let's go! Get a refill going here too. Pretty low on ammo now. Let's go. Thank you.
Half the fight's behind you. Time to step it up.
Oh fuck! What the fuck? Fuck! Bro, these guys are just. Oh my. Bro, that made me that made me jump. How like, bro, those guys are so fucking scared, dude. They are, bro. Holy shit, dude. They are prone in the middle of Narnia, just hiding. Holy shit, broke both my fucking plates. Fuck, dude. So stupid. Who plays like that? What the fuck? I saw one, but then like he disappeared. I was like, oh, he must have, you know, he's hiding, you know, but not like hiding, ready to snipe me type fucking hiding. Holy shit. What the shit? And there were two of them too. Holy shit. Well, I'm not gonna mess with those guys until I have to, because holy shit. What? Bro, that didn't have shit in it. What the hell? Anti-vehicle, it has nothing. Or was that a... Maybe it was in the ammo. Maybe I didn't see proper. Well, we're just gonna lurk by the riverside for now. Beachside, whatever you want to call it. Lakeside. Stay away from those two clowns. Holy shit. Little concerned of that. Pretty certain they got a tank. Yeah, we're only at 15 kills right now. And our teammate died right away. I mean, I tried to save him, but left. Which I don't care. Doesn't bother me. I don't really care what my teammate does, as long as he's not bothering with me. I mean, he paid for the game, he can play how he wants, you know? If he wants to leave, he wants to leave. I'm not gonna complain.
Only a few left. Stay sharp.
If you're that reliant on having a teammate, should you really even... I mean, do you even really deserve to win? You know? You gotta be able to rely on yourself a little bit. We got 14 left. We got 9 teams. Got a couple of solos then. Oh, one's got respawned. Being cautious of the tank. I do not want to be put in a gunfight with a tank. I do like how hard it is to see right now, though. Oh, we see the redeploys right there. Oh, there's the tank. I think there's more than one tank as well. I got nothing to take out that tank apart from... I mean, I got a pellet, but what good is that gonna do, you know what I mean? I'm gonna wait for someone else to take out the tank and then I'll push up. Whoa, tank is shooting at me now. Very aggressive boy. I'll take the bait. Spladoosh. Get that RPG out of your fucking hands. We got another pushing. Yeah. Could have RPG. It's gonna be. Oh yeah, I see it in his hands. Woo! Kaboom. Like to see it. I love to see it. I don't like to see it. I love to see it.
Enemy armor in your area. I'll get you some AT to deal with it shortly.
Yeah, we still got that enemy tank as well against us.
ISR is showing only a handful of squads left.
And there's a big fucking tree in my face, so I can't see shit right now. Oh, it's pushing on me fast. Holy moly, ratatouille. I don't think he has a gunner, so I can... Whoa! We do have an RPG in the area, though, but no gunner, so I can hover above the tank, and I'll be good to go. Gonna watch out for this goddamn guy. I don't think he has any ammo, to be honest. I don't think the tank has ammo, so... Just gotta avoid this guy with his anti-air, and I'll be good to go. Very gifted that he does not have lock-on either. Looking good, looking clean, Mr. Clean. And we got a new repair. Looking good. I think he's out of rockets too, hopefully. Might be clean, Mr. Clean. We'll see. Good thing I'm a seasoned pilot. I'm gonna drop her down here a little bit. I just want to see what's going on. Still got that tank. He hasn't shot at me. I don't think he has ammo. We got that other hostile on foot. Since he doesn't have ammo, I could drop down, grab some anti-vehicle air right about now. I'm gonna do that now. Oh, he does have ammo. Alright, well, we're set. That's an anti-air. Oh, good. Let's go. Got him. That's what I'm talking about. Wait, did he jumped out? Hell no. Man, and you thought, man, you had me thinking I won.
Make sure you come out on top.
Got him. Beautiful work. Beautiful work. Absolutely beautiful.
Prep for exfil. Bird should be there any second.
And they said I needed a teammate.
Other squads didn't even know what hit them. Great work.
So that tank did have ammo. I really thought he didn't. It's the only reason I landed. Good thing I did, though. I blew him out of it.